we still got the damn thing. Well, we actually have a tornado on the ground just outside of Lebanon, Indiana. I'm trying to get a video camera on it as we speak here. Give me just a second. Yeah, we've got a tornado on the ground just outside of Lebanon, Indiana. It's been on the ground for about 3 or 4 minutes. And it's kind of been periodically touching down. Hard to see. It's kind of off in the distance. These storms have been moving so fast today. It's been hard to keep up. But this one just touched down outside of Advanced, has moved very quickly just to the south of Lebanon and is continuing to the east of Lebanon. Well, we were on storms near Bloomington and Normal, Illinois, developing tornadoes very close to us, actually dropped some baseball-sized hail. We intercepted another tornadic storm just outside of Bloomington, and we've just been kind of working our way down 74, 72. Like I said, these storms have been moving so incredibly fast, you just kind of have to, you catch them, you let them go, and then you move on to the next one down the line. This is actually our 5th storm intercept today, and actually yielded our first tornado we've seen.